Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest origami butterfly I know. This model is really very simple and only needs a square of paper. In this video I'm going to use 15 by 15 centimeters, about 6 by 6 inches, but you can choose the size you want. Our first step is to fold it in half, vertically. Once that's done, we can unfold. And now we fold it in half horizontally. Having these two folds done, we can turn the paper over. And now we are going to fold it in half along both diagonals, making something like an X. For that, just bring one corner to the other, like this. Reinforce in the middle, and then unfold. Let's fold the opposite diagonal. And we have our X. Let's turn it over again and push the four sides to the middle, closing the paper like this, creating a triangle with two flaps on each side. Now let's bring the right flap up then the one on the left too. Now we are going to turn it upside down, leaving it in this position. And we fold the corner from the bottom up, going a little beyond the edge. Then we can go to the other side, fold the remaining corner. And then we can close the middle part a little bit. Like this. And the origami butterfly is ready! If you liked this model, please click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!